Why choose Moly-based grease? Simple, performance. LPS Thermaplex CS Moly bearing grease resists extreme impact, vibration, and heavy loads while providing critical lubrication in extreme applications. We will compare the performance of the LPS Thermaplex CS Moly grease and a competitive grease. In this demonstration, we will use the LPS grease machine for the grease performance comparison test. In this test, we will immediately subject the grease to an extremely high load. First, we'll clean the wheel with LPS Zero Try. Then we will sand the wheel with an 80 grit sandpaper, smoothing the rotating bearing surface. First, we will apply the competitive grease to the rotating bearing. Then we will apply it to the stationary bearing. We will install the short arm containing the stationary bearing to the machine, making sure the stationary bearing and the rotating bearing are making perfect contact. We will assure the arm is perfectly balanced. This allows the bearing performance test to be consistent. The machine is turned on to begin the test. Each weight is applied. As weight is added, the sound of the bearing will increase, signifying an increase in contact and wear among the bearing. We stop the machine and remove the short arm and show the bearing and the amount of wear caused. We'll test our LPS Thermaplex CS Moly next. First, we'll clean the wheel with LPS Zero Try, avoiding any form of cross-contamination from the competitive grease on the rotating and stationary bearings. We will rotate the stationary bearing on the short arm for a flush contact with the rotating bearing. Then we will sand the wheel with an 80 grit sandpaper, smoothing the rotating bearing surface. We will apply full coverage of LPS Thermaplex CS Moly to the rotating and stationary bearings, just as we did to the competitive grease. Again, we will assure proper contact, a well-balanced arm, and now the Thermaplex CS Moly with the same 4 weights. Notice the quieter performance. Let's see the result. Notice the minute wear. Let's review the test, side by side, in sound. First, the competitive brand with 4 weights added. And now, the Thermaplex CS Moly with the same 4 weights. Notice the quieter performance. And notice the significant wear damage side by side. When deciding on your next extreme duty grease purchase, consider the proven performance of a calcium sulfonate grease fortified with load and shock resistant molybdenum disulfide, that is, Thermaplex CS Moly bearing grease. For more information about this product, contact us at 1-800-241-8334 or visit our website at www.lpslabs.com. This product can be purchased through your local industrial supplier.